Tell her to stop. Hey, that got me in the face. Oh! Maybe you did. Hey, not in the face. I said not above the chest.
Sorry.
I bet you are.
I bet you are too. Yeah, come on. I'll be your battery.
Oh, see, that's why we shouldn't do it in the face. Hey, stop it.
He said stop. I gotta go
right that's enough.
Why don't you just get her back? Come on, let's go inside. It's all over you.
Don't do it again, okay, Isis?
Okay.
Hey, I just said not to do it. Hey, I just said not to do it, and you said okay. She just hit me in the butt with it.
Now you
Hey, stop.
Okay.
I want to tell Rachel and Jason.
You go inside.
Here, I'll go tell Rachel and
No, you
Jason.
go
Let's go tell Rachel and Jason about it. Let's go tell Rachel and Jason what you did. Here, let's go over there and tell them, huh?
No, stop.
Then don't do it, okay? Hey, stop it, Isis, stop it. Uh-oh, you gotta be careful. Those waves will get you, Isis. Oh, that's oh!
Your GoPro's fine, it's waterproof.
No, I thought Isis got sand on it.
You'll catch what happened if you look on the footage. The camera caught it, but you didn't. I went flying.
Oh, it hit me in the groin. Oh. Here, go put this in my chair.
Okay, so I was standing over here, and the wave came up under my foot, and it knocked me over.
Oh, she can't outrun it. It's gonna get her. Oh, it's gonna get us. Oh. More shells. Whoa. Oh, that wave is going. I think I did. Oh, it's so tall. And it didn't do much.
It did not do much.
Whoa! Jump the waves, right? Oh, the wave! The wave! The wave! The wave! Oh, the wave! Maybe I should put this thing on 4K.
On what?
Oh, whoa! A higher resolution.
I dare you to go under the wave and show the camera.
No.
Yes, hold it on to Daddy.
No.
All right, do it.
Oh! Don't get on my back.
Sorry.
Gotta watch out, we can't get too close together, we'll get hit. If we get too close together, we'll hit each other. What you got, money?
Yep, I got money.
Let's get over back toward our umbrella. Oh. Oh, my eyes sting because of the salt. That blue umbrella is our area.
Everybody knows.
Oh!
Are we under that way?
Swimmy, swim! Swimmy! Oh, it's peaceful now. Oh, spoke too soon. Whoa! Oh.
I'm on my knees right now.
Yeah.
You got me.
Oh. Whoa! Whoa! There's the airplane advertising again. No, it's not. It's telling us where to eat.
Steam, grilled, over. I can't read that. It's moving too fast.
They're probably trying to move as slow as they can. I mean, airplanes go faster than cars.
I'm doggy paddling.
Oh, yes. This feels good, Oz. Don't splash, you'll get on the camera. Hey, Oz, don't splash because you'll get on the camera and it can't see as well.
Waterproof.
It is, but if there's a droplet of water blocking the lens, it can't see very well.
Yeah. Are we gonna eat my shark out of this car?
We will.
Here comes the big one.
Oh.
Oh, but they're soft. Whoa. That way was soft. That would have been a good one.
Oh.
That guy in the pool. Lucky for you, you don't want.
Oh. Look at that white water out there. The wave's big. Oh. Is that somebody on a paddleboard or a kayak?
Kayak, it's a blow-up kayak.
Oh, I wish I was on one. Oh, I kicked up sand. Whoa. Here comes a big one. Oh, I kicked up sand. Oh. That kicked up sand, didn't it?
Yeah, let's go back. Come on.
Whoa! Water feels good now. Whoa! I'm on my hands. Oh, not now. Yeah. It's easier to float in this water than it is chlorine because the salt makes the water so much more dense.
And it makes it more buoyant.
That's right.
Remember we learned about that on Lion Guard.
Now the Dead Sea is an area over in the Middle East that has a lot more salt in the water than the ocean does. And that's why it's even easier to float. Actually, they say the water's really slimy because there's a lot of salt in it. That's right. You know why there's salt out in the ocean, right? Alright, so... So there's salt in the ground, okay? Oh. Not from the sand. Oh. This is weird. No, I was looking for something I threw over there. Ooh, Mexico!
Be careful!